You guys in the chat wanted me to react to some EPT TikToks. I have no idea what the fuck I'm in store for, but let's find out.
Did you get?
Excuse me, do y'all accept EBT? Like food stamps?
Look at that face reaction. She's so, yeah, she's not fucking with that. EBT for eating out? Yeah.
You ain't never heard of stamps? Food stamps?
After they already have eaten.
Why is she running away? Except EBT for sub? I don't think I can. You made the same face. Yeah, I mean, oh fuck. I feel bad for the server, right? Specifically. Hopefully they're just trolling her. Listen, here's the reality. If someone asks for that, servers already, especially at a restaurant like this, they're not making a lot of money. And she just heard, she just heard, I'm not getting a fucking tip. That sucks.
Don't worry about it. Okay, we'll go ahead here.
Oh, fuck. They're serious, aren't they? Oh, fuck. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Oh, these comments over here. Oh, fuck. You can just call the police and let them handle it? Yeah. Believe it. Not available for SNAP benefits. I don't know if you guys understand that. But SNAP does cover food intended to be prepared and eaten at home. So, and that excludes hot deli items and ready-to-eat meals, even if purchased at a grocery store. So there are restaurant meal programs, RMP, a state-administered exemption that lets eligible SNAP recipients use EBT benefits at approved restaurants for prepared hot meals. Only certain individuals qualify, age 60 or older, have disability, or homeless. Include spouses of someone meeting those criteria. So yeah, she heard that, and she heard, I'm not getting fucking paid today. That sucks.
Did you get?
Excuse me.
What's up, chat? I'm Moesha. This is Takesha, and this is Jakisha. And together.
Okay, this is AI. Oh, fuck. My For You page is going to be cooked after this. Oh, fuck. Papa Murphy's allows EBT? Ay. Okay, this is a troublesome stream. Whew. Okay. Here's the thing. It is unfortunate that it is all junk food. I will be honest with that. And second thing, our goal as a provider should be to get out of needing food stamps, though, because our goal should be to provide a better life for our kids. Our girls shouldn't be that EBT has hit and we celebrate. That kind of sucks. Listen, if someone is in need, especially with family, I certainly want them to be able to get food. It's not about that. But our goal as someone in this position, as a mother of these children, to be to work our way out of it. And that just makes me sad. And to have your kids in on this, man, to bring your kids on this instead of going out there and working to hopefully get out of that area. EBT cards have cash benefits on them, not just SNAP. Fair enough. 3,000 and saying that should be for 3 months. That is actually a substantial number, is it not? Wow.
Come shopping with me at Sam's Club as a recently unemployed wife to a family of 9.
Family of 9? 9? What are we doing? Oh, what are you getting? Why is she going straight to fucking Eggos? Instead of eggs, she's going to Eggos and ice cream? But fuck's sake. Listen, we know for a fact we have done the math. And we just confirmed the math recently. HEB, using the online system, sorting from the cheapest. You can meal prep 3 meals a day, plus a dessert, plus a snack, $250 a person. What the fuck are we doing? And also, recently unemployed. Why was it? Did she recently go unemployed, though, because she claimed disability? That's my concern. That's my concern for her health. I mean, look at her. I'm sorry. Like, if that's the case, and then she's fucking EBT. Fuck. Using
EBT. Anyway, we've officially made it through 1 month of summer break, and man, did it deplete literally everything we had in the house last. Despite my best efforts to keep a budget, I absolutely failed. I went over.
No. Oh, she needs to be on my show right now. Guys, I don't want harassment, but I do want her to come on the show. Lady, if you are listening to this, thank you for at least getting some fruit, but come on Financial Audit. I will help you with this budget thing. Absolutely 100%. Okay. Yeah. Does this go to actually Does he actually help people with budgeting though? Yes, especially with I mean, on average, people pay off $10,000 in 10 months that come on the show. We do an annual report, and people get a lot of resources after the fact. And yeah, a lot of people make progress.
By more than $100 at Sam's, and I'm sure I'll pay for that later in the month. But I didn't really have a choice in my defense because these kids depleted every single thing we had in the fridge.
Yeah, but you're able to choose what is eaten. Come on. And honestly, no offense, if they're eating what you're eating, they're not in a healthy place anyway. Come on, let's be honest here.
Fridge, pantry, and freezer. Anyway, this is nothing new. It happens every single year during summer break, so I'm not...
She doesn't need that. She doesn't need that. You don't need the pre-fucking muffins. Make your own damn muffins for cheap.
Surprised in this light. I would also like to state here this is not a complaint, but I digress. Anyway, my daughter decided that she wanted to play that little game where you go up and down...
Wait, is that her daughter?
...on the aisle and you point to something, and when the person says stop, whatever you land on is what you buy.
Yeah, play games with your benefits provided by the taxpayer. Yeah, I mean, making food in bulk for a family and sounds something to solve, sure, but they've done it since the entirety of human existence, so we have more of an ability now than ever before.
She wanted hot chips, so she changed it at the very last second. But whatever, I let her get what she wanted. And last but certainly not least...
By the way, the cash benefits that are provided, if you want to spend them in a restaurant, is usually temporary assistance for needy families, or TANF, or general assistance GA in certain states, or refugee cash assistance, or RCA. And these programs deposit cash directly into an EBT card, and you can withdraw them from ATMs or make direct purchases. So that's usually where we see it.
Thank you to Sam's Club for giving us this pizza and this ice cream for free.
For free? For free how? From Sam's Club or because the taxpayer paid for it? Shit. Damn it, I am not this sucks. This sucks because it makes it sound like I'm just fucking against assistance. I'm not. There are people in need and I want to fucking support them. But then it's people who abuse it and get shit things, and it's just like, fuck's sake. It just makes it so bad. This is why you should not have so many children when you can't afford them. It is true. You shouldn't have pets if you can't afford them either. The kid defeated the flute because them arms saying different. Yikes. Used to be people were so embarrassed to be using food stamps. Now it's a moneymaker on TikTok. That's true. That's true.
We appreciate it. Okay, that's all. Bye. Come shopping with me.
Fucking $3,000 for fucking what, man? I don't know. Great. $3,000 spent on EBT at Walmart. Public reaction: fire, mixed, heated, loud. System working or broken? According to these few TikToks so far, broken. But I don't base everything off of that. Look at that, guys. We're almost at 40 already. Yeah, 3,000's pretty wild. Pretty wild. Oh fuck, that's crazy. This is why people abuse the system and people who really need it can't get help. Exactly, because I want people who need help to get the help. And that's what I want to fight for like crazy. And then it's just like, what are we doing here? What are we doing, man?
I'm here to drop off my 3 kids. They all...
AI.
Come up.
I'm happy swiping my EBT unlimited card. Unlimited? That I don't certainly hope the fuck not. 7 kids, yes, we eat and I'm not paying cash.
Look, get on your knee, let me put a cow up in your throat. Put some hole, let me see you drop it to the floor.
I know they definitely, in the law they passed, right, that Trump signed on February 14th, made some cuts in work, well, made some work requirements for these type of benefits, which...
Freak, I'm finna jump out the fucking door. I'm on some in their butt. Put some in their butt.
I don't know, man.
What you mean I can't?
AI. Stop. Why is it all so many kids every fucking time? Shit, man. It's ruining it for people who need it. And why is it just junk? Why is it just junk? Fuck, it's ruining it, man. I mean, this is just sad. It ruins it for everyone that needs help. Why are we getting junk too? Like, come on.
At Sam's Club as a recently unemployed wife to a family of...
You can't pay with EBT at a restaurant.
No offense, but I feel like a 23-year-old, unless she has a bunch of kids, should be able to get out there and fucking grind her ass off more than most anyone, right? At least she's getting bread, right?
Do you also have rolls? Do you have rolls? Can I have 2? Yes, please. Thank you. Oh, this is new. I'm gonna put this for short. I'm gonna take
I know it's a big conservative thing. It doesn't even. Should it be though? I don't even know. But it's just like, junk food? Junk food, man? I don't know. I paid for this in cash. I don't fucking know, man.
Thank you. I got it. Thank you. This for Sean. I'm gonna get me and Sean a snack. And this.
What's HG? When you're hot, girl? Got EBT? Should it be group EBT? Are we doing that? Are we really celebrating this? See it grinning ear from ear. Red flags everywhere. Someone's future wife. Someone's future baby mama. More like it. This is so cute. You have lied. Oh, homegirl. When your homegirl got EBT, great. We're funding her being able to get her friends snacks. I'm fucking thrilled. Ah, fuck's sake.
And yes, we at Sam's doing the shopping haul. So y'all come along with us.
Is that true? Is this true? Did they ban snacks? What was changed with food stamps in the big beautiful bill? Key snap changes in the big beautiful bill, which was signed into law. Beneficiaries aged 18 to 64 must now complete at least 80 hours per month of work to qualify volunteer service. Volunteer service, fair. I assume unless they're on disability, right? Exemptions formerly granted to groups such as youth aged out of foster care, veterans, and the homeless have been rescinded, putting 270,000 people at risk of losing benefits. Funding shift to states, shifting the balance 75% state local funding. Okay. Cuts coverage. Did they ban snacks? No changes to SNAP purchases. No new restrictions or bans. Reuse for fruits, vegetables, meat, dairy, bread, cereals, snack foods. Why for snack foods? At least not alcohol. That's good.
And let's get some stuff out of Sam's. I'm really just gonna be a very short video, just a little tic tac, boom bam. You feel me? But yeah, y'all, let's get into it. They got some animal crackers.
So this isn't even true, by the way. We just confirmed. Like, I don't know what she's doing. Now she's just blowing all the money on snacks. Great. Hey, how about let's take care of the kids?
For $8.98, so we just gonna grab one of these. So yeah, my kids like Nutri-Grain bars, so they for about 30 seeds for $9.98. So we gonna grab that. We gonna put it down. So yeah, we already started shopping. So we got some chips, some blow out for the kids, some little bites, some hot chips.
Reader Riggs, I'm telling you, junk food is cheaper. You can buy more junk food because it stretches further. Unhealthy food is cheaper. It is true. That's not necessarily the point. Like, I would rather ban junk food and unhealthy things, only allow like healthy food or cook from scratch food, that kind of stuff, but then provide more money if that's required, you know, instead of just subsidizing junk food. And, you know, because these people that are on this are typically not in a position where they're not working, you know, they can't work enough. And if we're getting to a point where they're just endlessly unhealthy, they have less energy, they require higher medical bills, it's just more and more strain on the system, less likely of them getting out of the system and going out and actually getting out of this, right? So with that, I feel like this is a disservice. I would rather provide more and then get healthy food, right? Ban food deserts? I don't think that's how that works, Marsha. How do you ban something? You can't ban not having grocery stores. That doesn't make sense. I don't know how you ban that.
Some fruit snacks, some gushers, some powdered donuts, oatmeal pies, some honey buns, and yeah, so let's get into that crunch here.
I'm fucking pissed the fuck off. They cut my motherfucking food stamps to $85 fucking dollars from $738. How the fuck that's supposed to support a household of 3? For a job that barely even support my basic needs now. Like, inflation is high and the bitch groceries is high as shit. Oh, I'm pissed the fuck off. Like, I'm mad.
I want to know her income and expenses, though. I really do. What do you think? A meal program like Factor Meals, but for EBT? Interesting. Those are great for convenience. Not necessarily budget friendly. I support them because if you can afford it in your budget, it's nice. But it would be hard to see that fit in financially, right?
It is shit because how the fuck am I supposed to survive off that shit? So when y'all see me in the motherfucking store stealing stuff and that shit in my motherfucking bag, nicely act like you don't see shit and mind your motherfucking
Hold on, is she driving and like looking at the camera the entire time? This is crazy because I think I see the steering wheel.
business because this shit is going in my motherfucking bag and I'm walking out this motherfucking store with my motherfucking chest up and my head held high, and I dare you to try to tell me, hey ma'am, excuse me, because I'm gonna look at you like you fucking retarded and say go talk.
Whoa! You can't say that!
Talk to Trump about that shit.
What a lot of men mean when they say Our Lady shows the government, because the entitlement in this video is out of this world. I know a lot of ladies like this who are single by choice with the same entitlement issues, who were taught growing up that the government is the government's job, it's the taxpayer's job to supplement their income because they have the inability or refuse to keep a man around to help them raise those kids. So it's daddy's government's job.
Well, okay. I mean, sometimes single motherhood's going to happen regardless, right? We can't just say it's all because they just don't want a man, right? Like, I mean, someone will pass away sometimes. Some people will get laid off, you know. Someone will go to jail, you know, whatever it is. Like, this is certainly, he's one size fits all in this. But, I mean, in general, yeah. I mean, I think we all appreciate a little more personal responsibility, right? And I think that's kind of what he's trying to advocate for.
To come in, offer food stamps to keep everybody's bellies full. It's daddy's government's job to come in and supplement the housing situation and pay half the rent. It's daddy's government's job to make sure that everything is okay, right? That's choosing the state over building a community, because when you choose to
say the R slur, Redditor, yeah.
I was just curious.
Oh, for fuck! What the fuck was that?
Can I? I was just curious. Can I use my EBT card to get a drink here?
If you get the cash, if you have the cash part, right? The cash bennies, depending on where you are.
I have no idea. Go ahead and scan it. Or yeah, swipe that.
Snap? Not the cash? Seems a little flawed. No? The fuck? Can't reimburse your eardrums. I apologize. I want chocolate. Chocolate! I don't know. This is fucking crazy. I feel like you shouldn't be able to use it though.
Nope.
Oh, okay. There you go.
So that was an utter fail because they didn't accept it, and I don't even get my Starbucks partner discount at Target Starbucks. So it was $5.35. Yay! Yay!
Live look at the EBT community. Let's see what they were doing this weekend at the Walmart. You know, the place they go now that they don't go to Target. Let's see what Target's missing out on. What it appears is if there's a little insurrection going on at the local Walmart.